How to get Grammarly free trial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get a free trial on Grammarly. But before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser. From there, you can just search for Grammarly.com or just basically search for Grammarly. And once you search for it, go to the first website, Grammarly.com, and log into your account. So I'll just continue on with my Google account. So once you log into it, you can just go ahead and download the app, or you can continue on with the web browser. So I'll just check your grammar for free. You can easily paste your text and check your grammar, and you can go over to Grammarly.com from here. Now, if you're not able to access the website, then you can just tap on the three dots over here and then turn on desktop site. And once you turn it on, you should be able to access Grammarly's website. And as you can see here, I've got different options. Now, if you want to get free trial for Grammarly Premium, you can tap on this free option at the top over here and then just tap on it. That indicates that you have the free version right now. So all you have to do is swipe all the way to here and you can find the option to get Pro. Go ahead and tap on Get Pro. And once you tap on it, as you can see, for individual, that is the current plan, free plan. And you can try a 7 days free trial. You can go ahead and tap on Start 7 days trial. Then you can choose your billing option. The first one is annual. You can save up to 60% here with $12 per month. If you do monthly, it's going to be $30 per month, and quarterly is going to be $20 per month. Select your plan. I'll just select with the monthly plan. Tap on select. Now you just have to add your card details over here and continue on with the purchase. Once you have added your card details, you can just tap on complete purchase and you should be able to get the free trial for Grammarly. Once that is done, you should be able to get a 7-day free trial for Grammarly. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.